Mainspring Healthcare Solutions presents Service Performance Management. Bring your clinicians and support services together. One of the biggest challenges hospitals face is how to streamline patient support services. Whether you work in central supply, nursing, patient transport, or in a lab, there always seems to be something or someone holding up what you have to get done during the day. Meet Nurse Sarah. Despite being a multitasking expert, juggling separate tasks adds chaos and stress to her day. As she walks out of room 204, she mentally takes note of the 2 infusion pumps that need to make it back there as soon as possible. Across the hall, she sees another one of her patients waiting to be taken to radiology. Making her way back to the nursing station, she glances at the clock and recalls the lab samples that need to be sent to the lab in the next 10 minutes. Picking up the phone to call the lab courier, Sarah simultaneously scans the hallway for an available transport staffer. With no luck, she quickly pulls up an RTLS map and scans it for any available infusion pumps that might be close by. She spots a pump on the map and quickly hangs up the phone to claim her equipment before someone else does. Meanwhile, throughout the hospital, other departments are getting frustrated as well. Central supply is out of infusion pumps due to multiple duplicate orders being placed by nursing. The lab has yet to receive the patient samples, and the patient transport staff is undergoing a shift change. Frustration across departments means no one gets what they need when they need it, especially the patients and guests. There has to be an easier way. What if you could request whatever you needed whenever you needed it, all in one place? Whether it is a request for patient transport, environmental services, equipment delivery or repair, courier service, pharma, or even facility services. With Mainspring's I Love It application, whatever you need is just a few clicks away. Simply submit a request right from your mobile device and have that request sent to the correct department. Our closed-loop application makes it easy to see when the request was received and when your stuff is on its way. By quickly entering requests for an infusion pump, patient transport, and lab courier, Sarah can now get back to her patients instead of searching for equipment, tracking down staff, and hanging up phone calls. Less time juggling, more time with the patients, all while being able to check the status of her orders right on her mobile device. With everyone on the same page, communication across departments is at an all-time high. By having one simple way to enter requests, managers now have the ability to produce powerful performance reports. Not only does this visibility hold every department accountable for their actions, but it also allows for in-depth benchmarking and goal setting across the hospital, all while providing a clear understanding into service level expectations and results. Bring your clinicians and patient support services together with Mainspring Healthcare Solutions Service Performance Management.